the National Nutrition Council, Department of Science and Technology, we're about to unveil it this November nga, a ready-to-eat box. Nakahiwalay siya kasi ang purpose niyan, number one,
But they do share one thing in common. Vandalism. Unrelated, let's talk about vandalizing your wallet. Rappa's E1 gives her enhanced basic attacks, a defense ignore, and also gives her 20 energy back after ulting, making
Martes, nagsimulang pumunta dito sa Manila Northport at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin po sila makabiyahe. Pinili po nila na manatili na lamang dito dahil syempre nagtitipid sila, wala silang budget na
cargo planes, cargo aircrafts that could haul yung mga mabibigat na cargo and bring them into the hard-hit areas, particularly in Bicol.
Integrated News.
Kaugnay pa rin sa Bagyong Christine, makaparempo natin live si Veronica Torres, weather specialist mula sa Pag-asa. Magandang umaga, Veronica.
Mag-safe lagi, mga kapuso.
Pabugso-bugsong hangin at patuloy na buhos ng ulan ang naranasan ngayon sa Baguio City dahil sa Bagyong Christine. May unang balita live si
So, saan po ang punta natin ngayon?
Pupuntang Cagayan de Oro po.
Cagayan de Oro. Kailan pa po kayo nandito?
Yung 22.
22 pa po, okay. So, bakit niyo po
mga evacuation center. Karamihan nakatira sa coastal barangays. Sa evacuation site sa barangay Marikit dito sa Aurora, tuloy-tuloy ang paglikas ng mga residente nila kagabi. Delikado
Ito talaga yung katotohanan. And alam niyo bang sabi ng Diyos? You will seek me, and His promise is this: find me when you search for me with all your heart. add to the mystery and the legend.
So we're just here at another stone called the Devil's Toilet. And it's hard to get back far enough to see it clearly. It's got these geometric
parallel grooves. The site looks exactly like the Longyu Caves and the Huashan Grottos in China. But how is this possible, considering the distance between the
will not see all this evil that I will bring on this place and on its inhabitant. Dahil mahal kita, nagpakumbaba ka, hindi mo makikita ito sa panahon mo. Kukunin kita. Kaya some people are...
Yung t-shirt na ginamit sa pambalot, siyang ginamit pang pandong doon sa ulo ng lalaki.
Nakita rin sa CCTV ang bus na sinakyan nila biyaheng Gapan, Nueva Ecija.
Tumawag po ako ngayon sa ano.
Mark Safe lagi, mga kapuso.
Ang bugso-bugsong hangin at patuloy na buhos ng ulan ang naranasan ngayon sa Baguio City dahil sa bagyong Christine. May unang balita live si
Bagamat dotted line daw ang kanya, ibig sabihin kailangan i-confirm pa nung Crescente Canada na dun sa diagram, solid line yan.
Opo.
So,
Na by age 23, he was commander-in-chief the entire Virginia militia. Pag-isipan niyo mabuti. And obviously, alam niyo na yung kasaysayan, naging presidente, unang-unang presidente. Diba? Ginawa niya lahat ng mali. Ang sama ng pakiramdam. Diba? Parang ayoko niyan. Ayaw natin yan. So tuloy tayo. So kahit 8 taong gulang,
ドリームカムトゥルーコラボスタート燃やし尽くす
Wearing Dagu might have been based on something all of these ancient people actually saw. But considering these beings look like extraterrestrials with their bulging eyes foundation of gigantic polygonal blocks, tightly fitted together without any gaps. This mega platform that predates the castle itself looks very similar to the ancient
father Manasseh had made, and he served them. Wow! Ano, sa panahon natin ngayon, ang isip natin, yung paniniwala ng marami. Tayo ay
に座って何百ページものスライドを見ながら何システム時間も議論し続けるってやつ？安心して、そういうつまらないイベントは大人に任せて。
In 1986, a local diver named Kihachiro Aratake was scouting for a good spot to observe hammerhead sharks. As Aratake explored the water, intricate costume or armor have been imagined in a culture where clothing wasn't made from anything but hides. The strange thing is that similar figures were found all across architecture, such as those found in ancient Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Central America. These comparisons are used to argue that the skills and technologies required to create a site like
But first, you're probably going to want to know what she actually does. To put it simply, Rappa is Firefly without the labels and emotional attachments. Essentially, she's your situationship. But while Firefly breaks your heart, Yai Freak
years ago. Therefore, the question arises, could Osaka Castle's foundations be relics of an ancient, technologically advanced civilization that existed, traditionally date them back to around 250 AD? Despite the established chronology, there is a subset of historians and researchers who believe that many Kofuns may
Thanks. What I recommend is running either Eternal Calculus, since it's completely free in the Herta shop, or After the Charmony Fall, which honestly could be
Sa ngayon po kasi wala pa daw pong update ang PDRRMO kung saan posibleng ilipat yung ating mga stranded passengers. Panawagan na lang po natin sa iba pang mga biyahero na supposedly may mga
at ng Office of the Civil Defense. Ang DSWD, ang aming mandato is ma-make sure namin na merong sapat na pagkain ang mga pamilyang naapektuhan. So kami sa DSWD, paulit-ulit lahat ng ating mga bodega everywhere sa Bicol region. At ang nangyayari, yung mga local government units natin ang pupunta sa aming mga bodega, kukunin yung mga goods at dadalhin doon.
Opo.
So tuloy-tuloy naman yan.
Kung tinatawid nga niya yung landmass ng ating bansa, lalo na sa may Northern Luzon, ay posibleng bahagyang humina itong si Christine. Pero mananatili pa nga rin po sa Severe Tropical Storm category. Paglagpas naman ito,
the largest tomb by area in the world. The creation of this tomb was estimated to have taken 2,000 workers who worked a continuous 16 years to finish it, after removing
Yun yung mami ako sa kayo pwede makapagpadala. Ingat po mga kapuso. Yan yung mga QR codes kasi dito.
stones is the signs of vitrification, which suggests that they were exposed to extremely high temperatures, possibly from a cataclysmic event. This who is discovered inside a glowing bamboo stalk. As the story unfolds, Kaguya Haim grows into a woman of uncommon beauty, eventually revealing that she is from
Love is all-inclusive. Seek everybody's approval. Naku, bakit mo sisirahan niya? Hari ka, tandaan mo, ha? Mag-aagalit yung tao. Hindi. When it comes to love, itong katotohanan, yes, of course,
Pasok pa ako ng alas 4 eh. Anong oras na eh?
Sa MacArthur Highway naman, hindi rin nakaligtas ang ilang motorista sa baha. Kaya nagpalipas muna sila ng oras, umaasang huhupa ito at
these texts. Considering that these texts are historical, for many in Japan, this tale is viewed not just as folklore, but as a potential historical encounter with
Free whole uses of her enhanced basic sequence as well, and the whole time she's gaining energy, so oftentimes you'll actually get almost 100% uptime on Splatoon mode. With her trace, Ninjutsu Inscription Sea Echo.
どの勝利も苦労の賜物だよ。生きるために
in the middle of the forest, together with enormous tombs surrounded by water moats that have never been excavated. There are colossal quarries covered with machine marks and cut with laser.
Kasi tatlo nga yung risk levels natin. So, iba rin kasi yung dosing eh. So, kung yari, alam na natin na high risk, iba ang ibibigay na reseta sa'yo.
Kasi pwede ka baka ma-overdose ka naman, di ba?
Correct.
Tama ka dyan, Ma'am Andito tayo ngayon sa Sampaloc, Manila kung saan nga pinuntahan natin yung isang talaga namang OG na bulaluhan at kita nyo naman, kahoy pa rin yung ginagamit. And syempre, kita nyo,
mata ng Panginoon Diyos. Di ba? Ang sarap nun, no? Ang sarap na ganun yung ano. Hindi yung si Arnold. Tama ako, Arnold ka, di ba? Ay, hanggang ngayon, lagi kay Arnold na...
Sa lungsod. Di bababa sa 10 motorsiklo ang inabutan namin sa maliit na talyer na ito sa Naga City. Halos lahat lumubog ng abutan sa kalsada.
Lapit tayo, lalo na kung mga siksikan, no, sa mga transport. Hindi siya airborne na malayo yung takbo ng hangin. Pero kung yari, sa isang mga kotse na siksikan o jeep, ganyan.
course, we are here prepared po para sa flooding incident.
Sa monitoring ng PDRRMO, 7 tulay sa probinsyang hindi na madaanan ng mga motorista dahil sa pag-apaw ng ilog.
Dahil dito sa isa
Hintay muna para sakaling mas okay mamaya.
More 少し部屋の中を確認してみようか。
At i-manage yung mga information without the filter of the truth. Kaya importante yung alam natin yung katotohanan. So ngayon, maintindihan na rin natin ang ating social responsibility.
Still doing rescue, and we can have those data when they would be back in their offices and do the reports. But as soon as they are available, we will try to communicate them.
It combines a square front and a circular rear. These keyhole-shaped tombs were constructed with remarkable precision and attention to detail. They are vast,
Na, di ba? Seryoso at talagang alamin kung ano yung hinahanap mo. Okay tayo? Now, kaya ang ating talakay ngayon ay Seek God Today.
period on the shores of Harayadori in Hitachi province, local fishermen witnessed a perplexing sight. An unusual craft was seen drifting toward the shore. This
kung kaya mo nga kausapin ng aso, yan pa. Kaya mo yan. Yung boss ko yung kausapin, hindi, kaya mo yan, takbo ka kay God.
すまない。これは魂へと直撃する両乱空手だ。できる限り力は制御したが、尽きるまで生きるために